Hi friends, Paola here. I'm in the studio with Dash and we are going to try the large wrap base. She tells me she's a little intimidated by the size and I'm going to see if I could change her mind a little bit. I feel like the large wrap base is perfect for that girls' night out or like just a night out. It's just for a little bit more oomph. What makes you feel like the large one, do you think it's just too large for your features?
I think that you wrap it in a very specific way that just looks so, I don't know, like I can't wrap the large one the way I wrap the medium one, I find.
I see.
So I think I just need to find a better technique, the same way you do it.
I do notice when you wrap, you start with both sides evenly on each side, and I always start with one side shorter than the other.
Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, okay.
And then I kind of wrap around. So
that's the hack.
It feels so comfortable.
Does it?
It does.